Hello! To turn on Always On display on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first we have to download a third-party application. So let's go into the Play Store, then search the AOA phrase, and you have to install this application right here. As you install it, there's nothing. Alright, it has installed. Let's open it, and you have to probably allow, yes, you have to allow the application to show over other apps. Let's allow it. Alright, let's allow the notifications. And simply that's it. As the application is installed, the Always On display is already available. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.